Hi sweetie, welcome back. Today I share with you all you need to know to make a perfect and mouth-watering donut recipe. This snack is one of the popular snacks you can easily find all over the world. You can easily eat this snacks anytime, any day. So sweetie, especially if you are going to use this for business, it's going to help you a lot, and all the due process you need to know, I'm going to show you on this video. To begin, we are going to be needing flour. Over here we have bread flour. Next is to add in sugar, and the same time add in yeast. Next is to add in is egg. Then add in salt to taste. Next is to add in is milk, and then mix that together. I leave the measurement in the screen. You can as well take note of it. Then I'm going to be adding the remaining milk. I make use of just 1 cup. I just mix everything together. One thing about this recipe is that you have to first of all mix your dough very nice. In most cases, some people have to use machine to get this done. Now you are going to be adding butter. But now we are going to get this recipe done without no machine. So you need to use your hand to mix this dough, and you are going to have the perfect and great result. So keep on mixing. All you do now is to transfer that back to the wall surface. Now you don't need to add in any flour. All you do now is to keep on mixing, because you are going to achieve this dough and it's going to come out as if you use your machine to mix this dough. You don't need machine, just your hand like this. You are going to have this fluffy and gorgeous dough. Just see how I'm getting that mix. It was so easy, and this is going to take you not less than 20 minutes to mix this dough, and you are going to have this gorgeous. At this point you can see the dough is coming together and it's looking more fluffy and gorgeous. Just keep on mixing. In some cases, people are going to use machine to mix this. So if you have the machine, it's good for you to use. But if you don't have the machine, you can use your hand to achieve this gorgeous dough like this. So once you achieve this, all you do now is to cut that into little bites. So you can use your scissors to cut it a little ball sign. So you don't have to be big. Just this little shape is good to go. So you are going to use your hand to tie that into a little ball sign like this. Very easy, and you are going to have everything done like this. So this is how I'm going to tie everything until it come out perfect and nice like this. So over here, you are going to be adding some flour inside a tray and transfer everything back inside this tray like this. So this is just so easy, and this is how I get everything rolled. It was so easy. So don't allow that to be big. Just cut your dough into little shape. So don't cut it that big size, okay? So for you to have your donut come out amazing shape, so you don't have to allow the dough to be big. So this small size is good to go. Next is for you to use something to press it like this. You can use your hand, or you can use anything to press it, the same way I just press mine. So once you get everything pressed, you are going to use anything round cover, a little bit of round cover like this, and then use it to place center of the dough, and you are going to have something like this. Just so easy. So just have any round cover, just like bottle cover. It's just going to enable you to place the center of it, and we are going to have this shape. It was so easy. So this is how I'm going to place everything for me to have this gorgeous, and then we have it like this. At this point, before we proceed, we are going to cover that for just 30 minutes, and then 30 minutes later it's going to double like this, and at this point it's ready for you to fry. It was just so easy, guys. Have you shared this recipe? Next is for us to get that fry, but before that you are going to be needing oil. I just add the 1.5 liters of oil inside a hot pan, and then allow the oil to hot, and then start adding the dough inside the oil for us to have our delicious donut done. I get this fry about 3 to 4 occasions, and then I have this gorgeous. Just 1 minute, you are going to be turning the other side like this, and then you are going to have this gorgeous. Have you shared this recipe? So sweetie, all you need to know is what I show you on this video. This is so easy to get done. At the same time, you can use this for any kind of business of your choice. Even if you are the person that is doing anything small chop, you can add this donut recipe on your small chop business. Trust me, they are going to eat and appreciate you. It was so easy, at the same time it's so delicious. So this snacks, you can easily find it any country you are, like anywhere you are, you can easily get donut done. So donut is very easy to get done, at the same time it's so healthy to eat. So sweetie, this is how I fry the second batch, and everything fry and come out perfect. So I just add that again inside the hot oil, and then turn the other side, and it come out perfect like this. If you are finding it difficult to make donuts before, once you share this video, this is just the best and the easiest way you are going to be making your donut from today. It's not going to take your time, it's not going to spoil, and you are going to have gorgeous donut recipe like this. It was so mouth-watering. At this point, we are done frying everything. It fry and come out so perfect like this. So this is just all the donuts and everything fried and come out so mouth-watering. Next is for you to be adding is powdered milk for you to get that enjoy. You are going to rub everywhere with powdered milk like this. So sweetie, this is the end of this recipe. All you need to do is to share for others to see. Try this recipe for yourself, and at the same time, if you don't have business of your own, you can use this donut to start business for yourself, and it's going to help you a lot. You don't need much ingredient to get this done. Just follow this process and make a perfect and gorgeous recipe done for yourself. Everyone that eats with you is going to appreciate you. Like, this donut is so delicious, it's so healthy, and at the same time it's so mouth-watering. All you need to know is what I show you. Try to share for others to see. See me opening this, like, it cooks so nice. It was so everything you need in donuts. I love you guys. Don't forget to share in my next one. Bye bye.